Target those generators. It should knock out that laser.
Ship destroyed. Stabilize it!
Got him! I'm breaking up!
No, no! That's it for me!
Trash those generators.
Everyone see that crash? First order. More like the worst order, right? Enemy ship down. Enemy down.
Looks like that bunker buster's on its way out. Defend it with everything you have. Take out those generators.
Ship down. Looks like they've been waiting for us.
Bunker buster destroyed.
Not good.
Almost there. Keep knocking out those generators.
No, no!
The resistance needs us down there.
Reinforcements are inbound.
Hey! Hey!
The resistance needs us down there.
Well done. The turbo lasers are down. Start thinning out those ties.
I knew this would happen.
Watch out!
The resistance needs us down there.
Target the transports. Don't let them escape.
Who taught you to fly?
Alert! First coordinate transport ships leaving the hangar.
Enemy vessel destroyed.
We've got you in their sight.
Brace yourselves, everyone.
This ship could go at any moment.
Oh, you won.
Enemy troop transports attempting a getaway.
That's it for me.
Troop transports making a run for it. Troop transports exiting the destroyer. Don't let them get away.
You're in the line of fire.
Charged up and ready to go.
Enemy troop transports attempting a getaway.
Good back. Systems failing. You're taking fire.
None of them escaped. Not one. Open this one here.
First order transports away. That will cost them. Alert! First order transport ships leaving the hangar.
They're trading. He's heavy. Nice work. Been hit. My astromech will not shut up. Looks like they've been waiting for us. Critical got one.
Take out the shields to the command bridge. That's the Star Destroyer's most vulnerable spot.
They're breaking out.
So long.
Keep your eyes open. Let's end this. The force will give you strength. Look, I take orders from just one person. Me. I'm hurting here. Enemy down.
The command bridge is vulnerable, but we only have a limited window. Our fighters have arrived. Keep the First Order from destroying them.
Heading in.
Attack run successful. Well done.
We're winning!
Shields back up. Everyone, blast those deflectors. Sensors indicate the front deflector is the most vulnerable.
Taking fire! We can finish this!
My spirit.
Adam, nearly won. Don't let up.
Shields down. Target the command bridge. We don't have long. Make every shot count.
Bad way to go.
We can finish this!
I am grateful for your aid. Ship's in bad shape.
We're closing in!
They've raised the shields. Target the deflectors. Fire on the rear deflector.
My astromech will not shut up! Your ship's been hit!
Let's wrap this up, Blue Squad!
That's it for me. It's on you now.
Let's lock this up.
Someone call for the cleanup crew?
My sensor displays are all flashing red.
Blue Squad, let's finish the mission!
Force is with us. You can't lose.
I'm taking a lot of hits!
My astromech will not shut up.
Keep hammering that command bridge. Don't let up.
They've got you in their sight.
it can be defeated.